The Infinix 05G will be available soon. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 900 chip, which is manufactured on a 6nm manufacturing node. The screen is also a hole-punched flat panel, probably OLED, with a resolution of 1080p and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. According to rumors, the phone would include a 6.67-inch display and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. The power button on the frame also serves as a fingerprint scanner. A triple lens cluster can be found by turning the phone over. The latest Infinix Zero smartphone has a camera bump that blends into the shell, with 148MP wide-angle shooter, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto zoom camera. A 5000 mAh battery powers everything. The 05G comes with 33W charging support from Infinix. Furthermore, you have access to up to 128GB of internal storage. This hardware is powered by the Android 11X XOS UI. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below and remember to like and subscribe to my channel.